Why should you never hold a fart? Nothing is more amusing to a young child than the sounds they can produce with their body. While most people find it funny, children chuckle when they fart or burp because they feel they've done something forbidden. Farting is extremely common, indicating that your colon is in good shape. Some people find the word fart offensive, so they use phrases like stinker, toot, cutting the cheese, fluffing, or the technical term flatulate instead. Whatever you call it, you shouldn't feel self-conscious about this natural function. Did you know that the average person farts anywhere from 13 to 21 times per day? So, no matter how prim and proper some people attempt to be, their bodies will do what they were created to do. Bodily gases, some interesting facts. Men pass gas far more frequently than women because they are not afraid to do so, and they consume much faster. Did you know that when you eat too quickly, you take in more air than you should, which might cause gas in your system? It may seem unusual, but eating slowly allows you to control the gas in your system better. Breaking wind causes your body to emit hydrogen, which most people mistake for methane. This gas is about as combustible as a match to gasoline. Have you seen the videos where pranksters attempt to light their farts to test if they catch fire? Unfortunately, many people have burned themselves because hydrogen is combustible, yet it lacks the power of gasoline. Did you realize that the size of your anal cavity influences the volume with which you flatulate? Those who have larger anal apertures have quieter stinkers, whereas those who have smaller ones flatulate more loudly. To avoid shame, most women try to hold their gas in as long as possible, but their sphincter muscles limit how long they can do so. This is why your dear mother or grandmother may have a few slips when you're around. Don't be concerned if you crop dust someone in the grocery store. They now make panty liners that capture the gas and absorb it into the active charcoal layer, allowing your foul odors to go unnoticed. So, instead of holding back a fart, go crazy shopping. What exactly is a fart? Gas accumulates in your intestines due to the air and food you consume. Gaseous materials that aid digestion can be found in your stomach, colon, rectum, and small intestines. There is a limit to how much of this gas can be absorbed by the body, and any excess is expelled. As the gas fills the upper part of your intestines, it exerts pressure on the colon wall. If you do not release this buildup, the pressure will rise. It can reach up into your chest. How many times have you heard of someone going to the hospital with chest pains only to be told they had too much gas? Gas pains can be as severe as heart attack symptoms, and the two are easily confused. When you flatulate, you are releasing those gases and relieving your body. Gas enters your body from 4 different places. The foods you eat. Some foods, such as broccoli and cauliflower, contain sulfur because they are cruciferous vegetables. Because of their high fiber content, these vegetables are difficult for the body to digest entirely in the small intestine. As a result, undigested foods have a higher gas content. It can be not very kind when you expel the gas from these and other similar foods. Excess air. You breathe air into your body all day. When you talk, chew gum, or eat, your body absorbs oxygen into your system. But did you know that carbonated beverages can also cause an excess of gas in the body? When the body consumes too much air in the stomach and intestines, it must expel it. This sort of fart do not have such a strong odor. Bacteria overgrowth. Another reason you pass gas is an overabundance of bacteria in your small intestines. This is common with medical conditions such as celiac disease and irritable bowel syndrome. Improperly digested foods. Some foods, particularly complex carbohydrates, are difficult for your body to digest. The enzymes in the small intestines work hard to digest what you eat, but they are unable to digest foods high in sugar and carbohydrates fully. The partially digested foods pass through your colon and are converted into hydrogen and carbon dioxide by the body. Don't hold back a fart, just let it rip. If you are embarrassed by your passing wind, you should know that holding it back is unhealthy. Did you know that holding all that extra gas in can harm your health? Here are some common reasons you shouldn't be embarrassed if you break wind. Number 1, it feels good when you do not hold back a fart. Nothing beats getting rid of the stomach pain and bloating that comes with having too much gas. When you fart, you release feel-good hormones into your system, part of your reward system. As a result, even something as simple as tooting can make you feel better. Not to mention that you're releasing internal pressure, which provides immediate relief. Number 2, may prevent heart disease. A startling fact about how passing gas can aid in the prevention of heart disease and other severe conditions. When you smell an unpleasant odor, It aids in the repair of things like mitochondrial cell damage. While any gases fumes can be toxic, a small amount can benefit. Number 3, it alerts you to an underlying problem. Did you know that your flatulence can give you a lot of information about your overall health? People who have bowel problems, lactose intolerance, or celiac disease can often assist doctors in diagnosing their bloating and farting. Excessive gas indicates that the body has difficulty digesting food, suggesting a medical issue that must be addressed. People with diabetes have more gas, mainly if they take medications to remove excess glucose from their system. Number 4, your gas indicates whether you're eating properly. People who consume excessive carbs and sugars tend to be gassier than those who consume a healthy diet. If you want to see if it's true, try going a few days without eating any sugar and see what happens. Additionally, those who consume excessive protein may experience smelly gas. When your digestive system is in distress, your body will alert you. Number 5, it helps stomach pain. How often have you heard that you should chew your food thoroughly before swallowing it? The first step in the digestion process, according to science, begins in your mouth. Your teeth crush and chew the food, allowing the intestines to do the rest. Bacteria take over once it enters the intestines to break down the remaining bits. Bacteria produce gas on their own to aid in this process. The gas buildup causes pain and bloating, making it uncomfortable, if not unbearable. You will feel relieved when you expel this gas. Final thoughts on why you shouldn't hold back a fart. This is a topic that people avoid discussing. However, your body has specific functions that are part of the normal processes required to function. When the stool inside the colon is full, and the body is ready to release it, you usually experience a lot of gas. Did you know that holding your stools can lead to various health problems? You don't discuss some things with others, but you still need to understand why these functions occur. When you break wind, both good and bad things happen. Your body produces a lot of gas, which makes you feel better. However, your system may be attempting to warn you of a severe underlying issue that must be addressed. People who flatulate frequently may be consuming too much sugar or protein. Or they may have a condition such as diabetes, which exacerbates the problem. In the end, if those around you can live with your gas, it's probably not a problem. As a result, if you're constantly breaking wind and can't seem to stop it, you should consult your doctor. Farts with strong odors may also indicate a digestive problem. Because the link between gut and brain health is becoming more apparent, having a healthy digestive system is critical. Know that holding back a fart is terrible for your body until science can fully explain why. Thank you for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and like and share it with any family or friends who find it helpful.